Hey folks, Adam here from 911 Studios. Today we're looking at VICSEED's. This is a phone holder, and I'm actually on a road trip and going to do this with one hand. And this is an actually fantastic phone holder. You can see how easily my phone just fits right in here. And this thing is absolutely fantastic. It's sturdy, it's not going to fall down, and it just snaps into place. You can adjust and extend, which is a nice option. Move it in and out. So I just pushed it in. You can adjust it wide ways. You could even use it as a tripod to record selfies and video. So an absolutely fantastic product that you're absolutely going to love. So let's go ahead and check it out and take a look at some of the other details. So next we're going to take the phone off. You can see it's a nice plush material, adjustable to a variety of sizes, and all you have to do is click right here to adjust it and make it fit pretty much any size phone, even the larger phones. It also comes with a clip that you can use to clip it to your vents, and I'm going to switch with an overlay and show you that here in a moment, but it just slides right into your vents. This is one of the best phone mounts, one of the top selling on Amazon, mostly because it is high quality and again easy to adjust. So plenty of locking mechanisms, and you can get this pretty much any position that you want. So go ahead and order today. You won't be disappointed. This thing is absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching, and say it with me, folks. Adios, amigos.